The US dollar maintained its recent rally today, hovering its highest levels in almost 3 months. The American currency continues to strengthen, driven largely by inertial factors, including rising chances of Donald Trump winning the presidential election. In the event of that, inflation may rise, and the US Central Bank will likely take a more cautious approach to lowering interest rates. Now let us see how the upcoming macroeconomic reports due on October 25, 27, and 28 will affect the market situation. You are watching Traders Calendar. Considering that most major central banks set a 2% inflation target, Japan's consumer price report is likely to disappoint policymakers. Japan, a country that has been struggling with the deflation for decades, risks falling back into it. A drop to 1.7% will require a very cautious approach from the Bank of Japan when considering a rate hike, and such a situation could weaken the yen. The business climate indicator in the Eurozone's leading economy recently fell to its lowest levels since the beginning of the year. However, analysts expect an upward turn in October. The Business Climate Index is projected to climb to 85.6 points from 85.4. Though the increase is small, it's likely to be enough to support a local rise in the euro. Russia's interest rate far exceeds those of other regulators. In September, the key rate was raised by 100 basis points to 19%, mainly due to the high inflation, which is expected to surpass the 7% forecast. The Central Bank of Russia will likely increase the rate to 20%. 2 hours after the announcement, a press conference with the central bank's head will take place. The Russian ruble is expected to gain value that day. And the US dollar may dip in the second half of Friday's trading session. The fact is that the United States will disclose its durable goods orders report. The annual figure may show a decline to minus 0.1%, and this could fuel pessimism about the American economy's manufacturing activity. On a Friday, China will also announce the creation of an annual multi-purpose fund. However, the report published on October 27 may paint a different picture. Industrial profit in China is expected to shrink to 0.3% from a 0.5%, and this may weaken the yuan against the US dollar. The retail sales index is an important macroeconomic indicator for the every developed economy like the United Kingdom. It's growth drivers all sectors and boosts the currency's performance. An increase in retail sales to 5 points from 4 points may support the British pound. The US dollar may also find support following the release of the Texas Manufacturing Business Index. The indicator previously rose from a minus 9.7 to minus 9 points, and in October it's expected to improve significantly to minus 1 point. Such positive news will likely bolster the greenback. Please note that on October 27, the UK and the Europe will switch to winter time, and the United States will follow suit a week later. The time of publications in our video is set in a GMT plus 3 time. The next video review of a trader's calendar will be released on a Monday, October 28. We wish you profitable trading, subscribe to our channel and follow news with us, and see you soon!